All right, so today we're flying from Dallas, Texas, all the way to Helsinki, Finland for $179. Yes, $179. Taking just this personal bag. Let's see if we can fit this on Ryanair. And looks like we're good to go. All right, this is flight 1 out of 3 flights today. What's up, Alex? I'm Davion.
Yo,
nice to meet you.
Hell yeah.
Hey, have a great flight in Dallas.
Appreciate you. Thank you, man.
One of the good things about LaGuardia Airport is they offer a free transfer to the nearest subway station, which is about 15 minutes. And you're probably asking, why do you want to do this? Because taxis are $50 from LaGuardia to JFK Airport. So we're going to take the simpler $10, $15 public transportation.
The station that you want to come to, Roosevelt subway station.
All right, so this is our ride right here, the E train. That's where we're going. A train, last one. Once you get to this last train stop, you do have to use this again, and it's gonna be an $8 fare. Not that bad. So $10.75 to get all the way from LaGuardia to JFK. Well, we're not at JFK yet, almost.
To London. London is going to be in gate 1 and boarding time.
Honestly, being a really great person in life really does come back to you. So I was just talking to the lady at the ticket booth, and I was telling her, you know what, maybe I want a window, maybe I want an aisle. She's like, you know what, I'm gonna put you in the far back where there is no one sitting by you, so you'll have the whole row to yourself. So be nice, and it comes back full swing. That's what we need to work on more in life. Not gonna lie to you guys, I am super tired, and we still have 2 more flights left. Our next flight's Norse Atlantic Airways. I think the flight was $103 for that budget airline, and we're flying straight to London Gatwick, and then from there, an hour and 40-minute train ride to London Stansted, and then from there, we're taking Ryanair all the way to Helsinki, Finland, and then finally we have a 2-hour bus ride to Turku, Finland. So I'm probably gonna need another cappuccino. Actually, I'll just go with straight espresso, honestly. Flight number 2 out of 3, and Norse Atlantic Airways is late again. The pasta with cheese honestly looks pretty good. Wow. We do have movies for entertainment on here. We do have some classics like Babe with the Pig, Back to the Future 2. Wait, hold on. I love Back to the Future 2. What a classic. And then you also do have a My Flight, so it tells you it shows you total time, arrival time, the temperature, but that's pretty much all you're going to get. We do have TV shows on here, but not, it's again, not a lot of top hit. Thankfully, there is a plug outlet underneath your seat.
Wow, look at the Queen. R.I.P.
Why didn't anyone tell me this cappuccino was gonna be this large? Like, that's crazy. I look like an animal. And then on bruschetta bread, an egg, and then some bacon. So we're gonna stay here at Gatwick for probably about 20-30 minutes because it is 6:08 a.m. in the morning, and our flight doesn't leave until 3:15 p.m. from London Stansted. We're gonna see how to get there. I'm gonna look up how to get there and just hopefully hope for the best. Y'all know what's crazy is whenever I get to a new airport, I'm just like, I just love the fact that I'm lost and I've never been to this place. And then taking public transportation, it's almost like when you get out of your comfort zone and you're lost, you just become so much more stronger, and that's really what travel does for me. So, London Gatwick, thank you. London, why is it 48 pounds to go from London Gatwick all the way to Stansted by trains? And I have to take I'm transferring 3 times. Why is there not a coach from Gatwick to Stansted? I don't know, but it's time to go to Finland. All right, here we go. First train here in London. Very expensive train. All right, so we have 7 minutes to make it to our second train. Trying to get to the airport quick as possible. Wow, honestly, being American and seeing a station like this, it's crazy because we have trains, but it's just like other countries just appreciate architecture with their train stations. You know,
Victoria Line train to Walthamstow Central.
I really wish America utilized trains a lot more. I don't know, just there's something about taking trains that are just so blissful, you know?
Nice camera.
Appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
You know, I think one of my biggest pet peeves is when people do not listen to the security at the airport whenever they don't get their bags ready. And I got it if you don't understand the language, but if you know the language, why don't you get your bags ready, get the plastic bags ready? Because security here at Stansted, they're definitely very particular. And then whenever your bag goes through the conveyor belt, get your bag thing off of it and then go to one of the tables and get your stuff off. Stop holding off stop holding traffic up. Ran over. All right, so last flight. We're almost in Helsinki. We still have a train ride and 1 2-hour bus ride to Turku, Finland. So these are the seats on Ryanair. Pretty thin. They do the trick. And it fits. Easily fits. It easily fits. Plenty of leg room even with a personal bag. All right, we made it to Helsinki. This is airport number 6. I have never been to this many airports within 30-something hours. All right, finally leaving our last train station and we're headed to the bus now. We have 15 minutes. Wow, really gorgeous train station. 15 minutes to get there. We made it to Kampi, Helsinki, which this is it's a central bus station, essentially. And the good thing is you can wait inside here whenever it's really cold outside. And then when your bus gets cold, you just walk out there.
Yes.
Also, I didn't tell you guys, but this bus, 2-hour journey, €1. One. Over 30 hours, 6 airports, 5 trains, 3 buses, 3 different countries. We finally made it here to Turku, Finland. I don't know where me and this bag are headed to next, but I hope you'll join and subscribe.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.